Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to a new video. In today's video, I'm gonna share a very simple and easy bubble braid hairstyle on curly hair. You might have seen this hairstyle on Euphoria if you watched it. Cassie rocked this hairstyle and also a lot of celebs have rocked this hairstyle. I feel this is such a cute hairstyle for the summer season when you just want the hair out of your face and living your life but still looking cute at the same time. You can rock this hairstyle on day 5 hair when your hair is just not looking good, on freshly washed hair, wet hair, dry hair, does not matter. This hairstyle is gonna look cute. So without further ado, let's get started. As you can clearly see, I've already washed and conditioned my hair, and for that I've used Bblunt curly hair products. Bblunt is a premier hair care and styling brand which is synonymous with cutting edge hairstyling and hair care. Bblunt stands for uniqueness and individuality. I have their pre-poo, shampoo and conditioner, and I have been trying out these products for quite some while now. A lot of people don't like to detangle their hair in the shower. Some people say it causes a lot of hair fall. I personally have started to detangle my hair prior I hit the shower. It saves a lot of time, and using something that just helps the process and helps detangling stubborn curly hair is godsend. I always like to wet my hair a little before applying anything. Great, so that's done. So I like to use Bblunt pre-poo for curly hair. Now this helps to detangle curly hair. It has the goodness of coconut water and aloe vera extract. Love both the ingredients. It does not have any parabens and sulfates, and it protects colored hair, which is great. I have colored hair. Next, I'm gonna take a good amount of Bblunt pre-poo and apply it all over from root to tips. Let's start detangling. It definitely provides an amazing slip, and it makes it so easy to detangle, which also means less hair fall. This pre-poo is very nourishing, and it also comes with UV protection properties to shield your hair from hard water, sun, pollution and heat style damaging. My hair is detangled. I'm gonna let this sit for 20 to 30 minutes and then wash it off. Okay, for shampoo, I'm gonna use Bblunt curly hair shampoo. This has coconut water and jojoba oil in it. I'm gonna take this much and massage it in. This shampoo thoroughly cleanses your scalp without drying your hair, and it moisturizes and nourishes your curls. Wash it off. Next, I'm gonna follow it up with Bblunt curly hair conditioner. This also has coconut water and jojoba oil in it. I'm gonna take this much and rake it in, coating the length of my hair. This conditioner has a good slip, and it also hydrates and moisturizes curls. I'm gonna wash it off now, and this is how my curls look. I have not used any styler, just the shampoo and conditioner, and air dried my hair, and I'm pleasantly surprised. The curls have definition, frizz is reduced, and curls are nice and soft, which is great. I think this combo is great for an everyday use and at a great price point as well. If you want to get your hands on them, then use my code Shruti15 to get 15% off on your purchase. You can easily get them on Bblunt website, Amazon, Flipkart, Nykaa, Myntra. Don't worry, I'll leave all the links in the description down below. And now let's get started with the hairstyle. First, I'm gonna part my hair in the middle. Now you can definitely use a tail comb to be precise, but I am not able to find mine. I don't know where I've put it, so I'm gonna do it हाथों से. Try to wing it, or you can just use a pen. You know what? I can use a pen. Wait a minute. Pen है मेरे पास. Okay. So try to be as precise as possible. So try to create a middle parting till the back. Okay, I'm gonna work on the right side of my section first. So I've secured the left side. Also for this hairstyle, you will need a lot of these. This is just a plastic rubber band. I'm just gonna wet my hair a little. Not a lot, just a little damp, as you can see over here. I feel it just helps me with the hairstyle whenever I'm doing it. I always like to wet it a little. And you can also add in a hair gel. I like to add in a hair gel. You can just skip it or just use whichever hair gel that you like. This also helps keep the flyaways like sleek and not like over when your hair dries after the hairstyle. So I feel it's important, especially at the top and at the front. Okay, now that that is done, next I am going to pick up a nice big chunk at the front. As you can see, using a rubber band, I'm gonna tie it into a ponytail. One ponytail down. Next, I'm gonna take another section right behind it. Again, a nice big chunk. You can definitely add in more gel or water if you like. Once you've picked out that chunk, I'm just gonna add the front chunk with the back chunk. So here is the first section and I'm gonna create another section right over here. Okay, using another one, I'm gonna secure this. Okay, one.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that my head's on straight, gotta flip it and grip it and go and get an x-ray. What's wrong with me? I just feel weight pushing on my chest and it squeezes till I suffocate. Better change my mindset, meditate. It's pretty cool that I'm alive and have better days. I could walk, see, hear, I should celebrate. Think I could change my mind, maybe elevate. Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Yeah, all I need are some better days. Cause all I want, and I pray, I believe in the better days. I'm kinda stuck between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine. Wait no, it's living with no shame. Wait no, it's sleeping in on Sundays. I guess it's different for each of us and that's okay. Well I just wanna be happy, how to get there?
I'm gonna go as low as possible, as many loops as possible. Alright, I just forgot, bubble braid was done by Jasmine as well, the cartoon character. Just clicked one little loop over here and it's done. This is how it's looking currently. We still need to do some stuff, but I'm just gonna repeat the same thing that I did over here on this side. Okay, I completed the other side as well and it's looking so cute. I love it. But we're gonna do one little step and that's gonna take it up a notch. I feel like it's looking cute as it is, but just by fluffing it out, it's gonna look 10 times better. So let's do that. All you need to do is just fluff it out a little, giving it a nice bubble shape. And that will also make it look like you have a lot of hair. So it will just add volume, as you can see, before and after. I'm gonna repeat. Ooh, it's looking cute. I'm gonna repeat the same over here. Just fill up it. I love it. I love it. Now obviously the last thing I'm gonna do is lay the edges, because you don't want those baby hairs sticking up when you're out and about, right? And for that I'm just gonna use a hair gel that I used previously and a spoolie. Now you can use a spoolie or a toothbrush or a small baby toothbrush. Anything will work. Hairline is a little whacked and it's like up and down and you don't like it, you can just use some brown eyeshadow or eyebrow filler and just fill it in so it looks nice and even. Okay, the edges are nice and flat. I'm looking like a space girl, but it's so cute. I love it. And this is the final hairstyle.
You have a taste, all the highs and the lows. No, you'll never be the same. I don't really wanna hurt you, but I can't control the pain. If you're sticking by my side, maybe we could be okay. Okay, maybe you could be the change I need today. I promise that I've never felt this way. I really hope that you will choose to stay through all the pain.
I know you told your friend you're not okay, and tell me.
So that's it for today's video, guys. If you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to hit that like button and let me know in the comments down below what video do you want me to film next. If you enjoyed this kind of a video, do you need more summer cute easy hairstyles, then yeah, let me know in the comments down below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification to get notified whenever I upload a new video, and share this video with your friends because I think this hairstyle is so versatile. It can be done by straight hair, it can be done by curly hair, and it's gonna look cute. It's gonna look cute and chic no matter what your hair type is. So yeah, definitely share it with your friends and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!
Spider-Man's control and Batman with his fist. And clearly I don't see myself upon that